Howdy. The last couple examples in class from today, which is Thursday, September 12th, 2019, seemed a bit rushed, and I wasn't pleased about that. So I wanted to just do a video where I work through it so you have some time to process it. You can pause the playback if something doesn't make sense. You can follow up with me about questions you have. If you do have questions, tell me about what time in the video they come up so that I can identify what you're asking about. So we begin. Let's look at what's going on with Zoe. Good problem solvers read the problem many times. Zoe earns a salary of $45,000 and receives a 2% raise each year for 3 years. So let's go Zoe year 1. She's going to get her $45,000 and she's going to get a 2% raise. And this is a 1.02 or 102% because she's going to get her salary plus 2% more. And remember, this is 102%, and it's 100% plus 2%. So she gets her 45,000, that's 100%, plus 2% more. And that equals 1.02 times 45,000. So that's 45,900. In year 2, Zoe's going to get her 45,900. That's what the 1 is about, plus 2% of that amount. So we're going to take 45,900 times 1.02 again, which is $46,818. But I want you to notice that 45,900 is 45,000 times 1.02. And then we multiplied that number by 1.02. So let me just emphasize that this number and this number are the same. That's why we can express it this way. So in year 3, Zoe's going to get this 46,818. That's the 1. Plus another 2% of that amount. So take this times 1.02, 46,818 times 1.02, so we get $47,754.36. But remember, the 46,818 is, I'm here to use a different color. The 46,818 is that number. And if you don't believe it, stop and verify it with a calculator. Take this number I've circled here, and you will get that number. That means that we can write $47,754.36 as our initial amount times 1.02 to the power of 3. Or you can write out the factors and it's the same. So that's Zoe. Zoe's going to make all that cheese in year 3. Now, poor Zelda is going to get the shaft. Zelda gets 6% raise at the end of 3 years, so notice that 2% per 1 year. No, so the temptation is to think that, 6%, that's 2% times 3, so it should be the same. It's not. Here's our 45,000, and a 6% raise means she gets her raise, she gets her salary plus 6% more. That's why we're using 1.06. So we're going to have 45,000 times 1.06. That's our 47,700, which is less than $47,754.36. Not the same. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think.